Pour beaucoup, il est Mike Wheeler de la série Stranger Things, mais aujourd'hui, c'est le comédien, le guitariste, le collégien, le canadien, le chanteur et surtout le gamer que l'on reçoit dans la Playzone. Personne n'était jamais venu de si loin. Il arrive de Vancouver et en plus, avec son vélo. Welcome, Finn Wolfhard.
Thank you, yeah. I'm happy to be here.
Eh ben nous aussi. On est ravis de te recevoir. Tu peux ouvrir le rideau métallique. You can open the metallic curtain behind you.
Yeah, I do now.
Faut l'ouvrir toi-même.
Oh, it's not like a automatic door. You're not all high tech about it.
Non, on n'a pas de moteur.
All right, I'm fine with that. This is nuts.
Bienvenue dans la Playzone. Est-ce que notamment les consoles que tu es en train de regarder te rappellent des souvenirs?
Definitely, yeah, it definitely brings back some memories. We got this, the very first PlayStation on my brother's, or it was actually Christmas of 2007, and I remember the release date and stuff, because that was like the first, like, we were so excited because we were huge, like, first console we ever had was PlayStation 1, and then it was PlayStation 2, and we were so happy. We were like, oh, PlayStation 3, what's it gonna be? So that was super cool to get on that day.
Donc t'étais vraiment jeune, hein, parce que t'es né en 2002, donc la PS2, tu étais très jeune.
Yeah, I'm pretty young right now, I'm only 14.
Alors on a également des jeux, et on t'a sélectionné un jeu qui devrait te rappeler quelque chose, c'est Dragon's Lair 3D sur PS2.
Yeah, I see one. I got it.
Est-ce que t'avais entendu parler de Dragon's Lair avant de tourner Stranger Things?
I had, and I had heard that it was one of the hardest arcade games, and you know, because it was hard. It's hard to kind of call it a game because it's kind of like a cartoon that you like play.
Et bah justement, on va y jouer à cette sorte de dessin animé dans quelques minutes. Tu peux garder le jeu, mais avant, il faut choisir une manette.
Okay. Stranger Things red.
Et voilà,
Let's do it.
la couleur de Stranger Things. Ok, tu peux rentrer dans la Playzone maintenant. Alors là, tu es devant le Wall of Game avec nos précédents invités et la manette que tu as choisie va rejoindre ce mur quand tu l'auras dédicacé dans quelques minutes. Est-ce que ça ressemble à chez toi, cette pièce?
This place? Does this look like my own place at home?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, no way. My house is like not cool. This is not as cool. I don't think anyone has this cool of a house unless you're like an incredible interior designer, like this person that designed this.
Mais en tout cas, dans le coin, là, devant toi, il y a une guitare et je crois que tu en as chez toi.
I do play guitar, that's true. I can play guitar if you want me to.
Ah ouais, bien sûr, tu peux.
I'm not very good. Oh, there I am. That's... Okay, you have proof.
Ah ouais, on a la preuve. Alors, est-ce que tu peux nous parler de ce groupe?
That's my band Calpurnia. That's super funny that you have that loaded up. But yeah, we're a band from Vancouver, and yeah, we'll be recording stuff soon, like an EP. But yeah, I love playing guitar. It's super fun.
Ok.
I can play something. I don't know what I should play.
Vas-y.
Just being a professional. I actually kind of fake my way through like tuning a guitar, but
Ça c'est bon, ça c'est la bonne surprise de Finn Wolfhard.
Nice.
Merci beaucoup.
Thanks for providing for me.
Alors on va maintenant parler de la saison 2 de Stranger Things. On peut la regarder d'ailleurs avec l'application Netflix sur PS4. Et d'ailleurs, petite info, sur PS4 Pro, on peut même la regarder en 4K. Et au début de cette saison, il y a donc une scène dans une salle d'arcade avec ce jeu Dragon Slayer auquel on va jouer maintenant dans sa version au PS2.
I mean, yeah, let's do it. That was a fun scene to film because we kind of had to match up with the because what happened was that there wasn't actually a real copy of the game that we were playing, so we were kind of just watching this YouTube clip of it and kind of having to match it up. Gaten, who plays Dustin, had to match it up with the movement. So it was kind of difficult, but it ended up coming out really well. And that game I've been meaning to play, but yeah, that's super cool.
Ok, donc là, il faut que tu prennes la manette PS2.
Alright, oh wow, this is... Oh, look at all the blue lines.
Alors là, c'est vraiment différent de la version originale, puisque comme tu viens de le dire, la version originale, c'était plus un dessin animé, un peu un film interactif, alors que là, c'est un vrai jeu.
Oh yeah, this is a real game. This is like not a Oh no. I wonder what it looks like if I die. I just want to see the dying animation. Oh. Cool. Oh, it has the whole thing. Okay, now I get it. It's... Dude, that is crazy. It has a whole animation for you when you die. You don't just die. Oh my god. Wait, you can hit yourself in the head? Look, I ran into that wall. This is crazy how this is a game. Like, I mean, it's... Like, it was so like revolutionary for its time.
Alors, ce qui est incroyable, Finn, c'est que le jeu auquel tu joues est sorti en novembre 2002, c'est-à-dire un mois avant ta naissance.
Wow, that's insane. That's the month before I was born in. I never played this game. I grew up playing like Jak and Daxter and like Ratchet and Clank and so that kind of like old PS1, PS2 era, but I never played this before. Oh my god, there we go. There's all these cameras around, like, there. I'm not gonna point out the cameras, sorry, that's mean. But still, it's like, there's a lot of cameras here, man. Where'd you get all these cameras?
Au magasin.
Oh, got it.
Alors, on n'a pas de borne d'arcade ici, mais on a un flipper derrière toi.
Yeah, for sure. I'd be down. I'm not bad at pinball,
Ah
but
ouais.
I don't know if I'm good either. Ugh. Oh, it's a surfing one.
Ouais. Finn, on est vraiment ravis de te recevoir, d'autant qu'il y a énormément de liens entre Stranger Things et le jeu vidéo.
I mean, I love all video games, but my favorites probably of all time, are probably adventure games, or I like RPGs. I play mostly adventure games though. Yeah, it's that kind of stuff, I guess.
Et il y a un truc qui est complètement incroyable, c'est que alors que tu vas avoir 15 ans en décembre, tu es déjà dans un jeu vidéo.
Whoa. Yeah. It is crazy. This is a game for iOS and Android and stuff. And when we were shooting season 2, actually, we found out and we were like, "What? We have to play it!" And so the Duffers, who are the creators and writers and directors of the show, they had like a prototype on their downloaded to their phones. So we were all taking turns in between takes, playing the game. It's a great game. It really is.
Quand on est fan de jeux vidéo comme toi et qu'on est comédien, est-ce qu'on a envie un jour de jouer dans un jeu vidéo, puisqu'aujourd'hui on fait de plus en plus appel à des comédiens, on le voit avec des jeux comme Uncharted, pour incarner les personnages de jeux vidéo.
For sure. I mean, like, I've always done like voice acting and stuff, just a little bit, but yeah, I'd be interested in doing a game. If anyone out there wants me to be in a video game, looking at all the cameras, someone...
That one, yeah.
Give me a new video game.
Ok, on passe le message. On connaît des gens chez PlayStation, on passe le message. Pour terminer, on voudrait te proposer de mettre le casque VR et de nous dire déjà, avant de tester l'expérience VR de Stranger Things, ce que tu penses de manière générale de la VR, de la réalité virtuelle.
Oh, it's amazing. It's crazy how people have gotten this far. It's just weird because even growing up in like whatever 2006, as early basically before, if you grew up before 2014 2013, you would know that it's like the future is VR. Like that's the future. Like being in a different reality. And like this is seriously like in 20 years we're gonna be in like a different world. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I love the VR kind of experience.
On est bien d'accord. Alors justement, on va la tester cette expérience VR qui sort au mois de novembre. Évidemment, ce sera gratuit, ce sera disponible sur le PlayStation Store courant novembre. Dis-nous où tu es là.
I am in the buyer's house right now. In the living room. But should I move?
Alors en fait, avec les boutons carré et triangle, tu peux tourner autour de toi. Est-ce que ça ressemble à l'endroit que tu connais pour l'avoir vu en vrai?
Oh yes, this is crazy. It looks exactly alike. Oh, there's a phone.
Ouais. Il y a un téléphone et alors avec l'autre contrôleur, tu peux te diriger vers le halo vert.
Oh, got it. Wait. Oh, is that it?
Ouais, tu peux décrocher le téléphone. Alors il faut que tu trouves le téléphone avec la lampe torche.
Oh, there it is. I was like, oh, that's usually where the buyer's phone is.
Voilà le téléphone.
Oh no. Oh, come on, man. I see him. Hi. Hey there. Oh, sick.
Ça y est, t'as survécu grâce à cette petite expérience VR qui débarque donc au mois de novembre sur le PlayStation Store. Ce sera gratuit. Bravo.
Thank you. Yeah, I kind of died there, but it's cool. It was fun.
On affine une dernière chose à te demander, une petite dédicace sur la manette rouge.
Let's do it.
Derrière toi, on a mis un poster de Barb.
Oh yes, I see it. That is hilarious. Oh my god.
Tu l'aimes?
Poor Barb. I love it, but poor Barb. I mean, at least she's being remembered, but she's gone. Should I sign it on the gamepad?
Où tu veux. Finn Wolfhard, Mike Wheeler dans Stranger Things saison 1 et 2 était l'invité de la Playzone. On est vraiment ravis de l'avoir reçu et d'avoir pu discuter avec ce gamer devenu une star grâce à cette série Netflix. On peut voir la dédicace?
I signed it with a paint marker, but it says thank you.
Oh, thank you. Merci. Merci to you.
Thank you. Well, thank you for having me and letting me tour this great place. It's sweet.
Tout le plaisir était pour nous. Tu peux reposer la manette là où tu l'as trouvée.
But I don't want to leave.
Tu peux rester, hein, t'es chez toi.
Why are you banning me from? Ugh, it's fine. It's fine. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Drake.
Thank you, Fim.
See you guys. Bye.
Tu peux fermer derrière toi.
Oh, okay.
Bye bye.
Where am I?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.